Hey everyone, I'm Swati. Welcome to our financial guidance series where we simplify money management for you. Today, I shall introduce some fundamental rules that can help anyone manage their money better. Let's begin. The emergency fund rule. Let's start with building an emergency fund. Think of it as a financial cushion that helps you deal with sudden expenses without stress. For instance, if you earn 25,000 a month, put away 2,500 each month. This fund will cover unexpected costs like medical bills or urgent home repairs. The 50-30-20 budgeting rule. Next, we have the 50-30-20 rule to manage your income. Spend 50% on necessities like rent and groceries, 30% on things you enjoy, and 20% towards your savings or paying off debts. Let's dig deeper. The 66 Emirate rule. The 66 Emirate rule suggests having 6 times your monthly salary saved up as an emergency buffer. If that sounds daunting, don't worry. It's not as hard as you think. Maximum loan rule. The maximum loan rule is simply making sure that the EMIs for your loans do not exceed 40% of your monthly income. This ensures your debts remain manageable. For someone earning 20,000 a month, it would be advisable to ensure that their total monthly EMIs do not exceed 8,000. 20 times rule for life insurance. For the life insurance, consider getting coverage that's 20 times your annual income. If you earn 5 lakhs every year, your ideal life insurance coverage would be 1 crore. This secures your family's financial future in your absence. Retirement savings rule. Lastly, for retirement, aim to save at least 25% of your annual expenses. By the time you retire, you will have a retirement fund that's a gift from your present self. Simply put, these rules provide a framework for your financial stability and growth. Now, let's do a quick quiz on all the money mantras you have learned.